thing is, you telling me I got to get out your house, but now I can't even get a house. I've been with you for 2 years saving.
Hold on, wait a minute. How long?
2 important lessons from this video. 2 important lessons. First of all, if you know you're planning on moving out or buying a car within the next 6 months, 12 months, 18 to 24 months, not only do you need to save the money, but you need to check your credit reports and see if there's anything fraudulent, inaccurate, or derogatory on those credit reports, because those things are going to hold you back from making the purchases that you're planning on doing. And then once you find those things, planning ahead will give you time to dispute those items. Like the young man, if he'd have noticed that his mom's, the repo and the eviction had been on his report 2 years ago, he could have disputed them. And since they were past the statute of limitations and his mom put those accounts on his credit, they'd have been more than likely been removed when disputed. The second thing, if you know your son is going to be moving out, you want to see your son move out or your children move out, don't allow them to just move out into the wide open world with no money and no credit. Here's a trick that parents can do to help build their children's credit while they're still living at home. If you got a credit card that's in good standing, add them as an authorized user. You don't have to give them access to the card, but add them as an authorized user while they're teenagers, and they can be building credit history while they're living at home, while they're growing up. So then when they turn 18, when they turn 22, or when they get the money to move out, they have enough of a credit history that they can go ahead and make moves. But of course, it only works if you have good credit yourself. So you got to take care of your own credit in order to benefit your children. And this lady, she ain't a benefit to nobody. Not credit-wise anyway. Follow for more tips. Peace.